statements just to show that it's working for time's sake. But this is the first initial screen that pops up. So because we don't have an account, we'll go ahead and sign up. We'll do email test and password. So this will go ahead and create us an account and sign us in. We can also go ahead and sign out from here and then go ahead and sign back in. And we're logged back in. So what we're going to do, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to create an alarm, and I'll show you the print statements that are hit that checks for the traffic data. So we'll go ahead, add new alarm. We'll go from Manchester, New Hampshire to Boston, Mass. We'll click search. It's going to go ahead and find that route. Once it's found, it'll alert us. We'll go to the next screen. And then this is where you can set all the data. So basically what it's going to do, if you click on arrival time, you pick a time that you want to arrive by. So we'll say today by 6:55. Okay. And it's going to update our minimum departure time to 5:57. So let's say we want to wake up. Let's do it a little shorter. Updates 5:23. That's perfect. We'll wake up 2 minutes before. Then we hit save details. We're going to allow it to take pictures. This will give you, let's say, that's our ringtone that we want. Click to add image. We can do either the camera, take a new one, or we can go to the gallery and select a different image. Say that one. We'll click save. It'll set the alarms, as you can see over here on the right. This was set for 15 minutes before the alarm was supposed to go off. And what that is going to do, it's going to check the traffic for 15 minutes before you want to actually depart. So we want to depart at 5:21, so 15 minutes before that. We should get another print statement any second here that'll say checking 15 before, and then it'll check, and then we'll see if the traffic is longer. If the traffic is longer, it will launch the alarm. If it's not, it'll just keep the normal alarm the way it is. You can also, when you click Start Directions, it'll open in Maps. I'll show you in a minute how that looks. Okay, perfect example. So it says checking 15 before. Traffic is longer than what we initially thought it would be when we set the alarm. So what we do is launch the actual alarm to go off now instead of at 5:21 when we wanted it to. So then if you hit snooze, it'll snooze it for 5 minutes. If you hit dismiss, you can either start navigation and it will pull up Google Maps. and put in your starting and ending address to navigate to. Let's see, or you can share it. In this circumstance, I'm on an emulator, so it won't come up with all options. But if you have social media, Instagram or Facebook or things like that, it will pop up with all those options as well. So you can share with your friends, family, whoever it may be that you are leaving for your destination. We'll just go with messages for now. We'll create a new message. And there it is. So then you can go ahead and send that. So that's how the app works. Essentially, it's trying to avoid you being delayed to getting to your destination, wherever that may be. And this was a good example. It kind of showed you how it actually does update and alert you if there is a traffic issue.